Yo, what's going on? Welcome everybody. This is Dan here with 2D2 Productions. If you guys are watching this video, you were looking at an awesome product made by TP-Link. This is the C615F wireless security camera kit. Now, if you are looking for the ultimate all-in-one subscription-free camera that's going to have all the bells and whistles on the market, you're definitely going to want to give this thing a first, hands down, check out, because this is going to give you so many bells and whistles that do not require a subscription, and I cannot stress that enough. A lot of other companies out there require special subscriptions to get some of the services and features that these guys are doing right now with absolutely any kind of subscription cost whatsoever. Now, let's go ahead and dive right in. I'm going to show you some of the features because this app and this camera is awesome. So stay with me.
I saw you out there. What you doing? Turn our volume up. Hey, and there we got tracking. Can you guys hear that? We got two-way audio. And we got the auto tag feature. I think I got this person's attention. Oh, they're coming to my door.
Now, it is currently nighttime, but I just want to show you here with my mobile application. I'm going to go ahead and click on the camera. This camera really truly is colored night vision. It is in 2K, which is the 1440p. And best of all, it is a pan, tilt, scan, motion detection, full scanning automation, everything. And what I mean by automation is that you can add this to your Google Home or your Alexa, and you're going to be able to have so much control and functionality. Now, my street is dark, and I cannot stress how dark it is outside, and I'm going to take you out in just a minute just to kind of show you how well this camera actually works. That is my outside imaging. And what makes this camera specifically unique, that I'm going to say stands out amongst the rest of them, we go into the settings here. This is designed to give you all kinds of additional benefits. So you can tag people, cars, and pets. You can have it set up for full motion, for motion tracking. So if it happens to pick up any motion, the camera will track, as well as the person and pet and vehicle, which makes this thing virtually a game changer on the market. Now, what's also nice about it is that we have a floodlight. So the floodlight is adjustable, and we can also set it up to where you can have a timer scheduled for that floodlight. 45 minutes of direct sunlight is going to give you 140 days worth of standby usage on this thing. And it also is available to plug in a 512 gigabyte SD card. So let's go ahead and check out outside.
Now, what you guys are looking at right now is that we are currently outside. So my motion floodlight happened to pick up right here on this camera, but you can't tell. Got some tracking here going on, and it's going to pick up that floodlight. There's our spotlight, and you can see me walking around here, and that motion detection starting to track me. So let's start walking back this direction. So it's a full pan, scan, tilt, 360 degrees. I gotta say, that is pretty darn awesome. So if you guys are looking for an amazing product, you're gonna have to give this thing a try. Because best of all, when it comes down to the safety and security of your home, everybody is majority of the way concerned what happens at night. And even if I'm standing directly below this thing, it's pointing down at me. This thing is awesome, guys.
It is powered by a built-in rechargeable battery paired with the included eco-friendly Tapo A 201 solar panel that eliminating the need for wiring or frequent battery changes. So you don't need to worry about wiring and battery swaps. It will enhance your security while not being limited to power outlet placement. The camera also features an IP65 weather-resistant design. If you're looking for an awesome product, check this out because you can track everything real time on a fly. So again, I highly encourage, cannot stress enough, check it out for yourself. You guys are absolutely gonna love it. They've got a whole ton of product. Check out their website because the Tapo, awesome. They are gonna dominate the market with everything that they're offering. I thank you guys all for watching. Check it out for yourself. I guarantee you're gonna love it.